The CURSOR Fitness Folding Treadmill is designed with a multi-function handrail that supports quick speed adjustments and monitors your heart rate in real time. It features a quiet brushless motor that operates efficiently with a maximum power of 2.5 horsepower, reaching speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour without disturbing your surroundings. The treadmill is equipped with dual shock absorption technology, including an anti-slip belt and multiple shock absorbers to ensure a comfortable and joint-friendly workout experience. Its easy folding and storage capabilities, facilitated by detachable knobs and bottom wheels, make it convenient to store and move around your home. The treadmill's signature logo allows for real-time monitoring of alignment, ensuring that you maintain the correct center position during your workouts. Cursor Fitness offers excellent customer support through their CursorCare service, providing assistance with replacement parts, maintenance videos, and user manuals.